Kennel cough, also known as canine infectious tracheobronchitis, which is a highly contagious respiratory infection commonly seen in dogs. It is often characterized by a persistent cough, sneezing, nasal discharge, and mild lethargy. Here are 7 ways to treat kennel cough in dogs. Begin by isolating your infected dog from other pets to prevent the spread of the disease. Provide a comfortable and warm environment for your dog to rest and recover. Ensure your dog stays well hydrated by providing fresh and clean water at all times. Humidification helps to soothe irritated airways and reduce coughing fits. Use a humidifier in the room where your dog spends most of its time to ease respiratory discomfort. Ensure your dog is up to date on vaccinations, including the kennel cough vaccine. This will help to decrease the chances of kennel cough in future. Honey can also be a great way for kennel cough, as it can help to soothe your dog's throat and minimize coughing. You can give your dog 1 tablespoon of honey mixed with a little warm water in a bowl. This can be offered up to 3 times a day depending on how often your dog is coughing. Offer your dog warm and low-sodium chicken broth. The warmth can be comforting, and the broth may encourage hydration. Create a steam room by running a hot shower. And sit in the room near bathroom with your dog for about 10 to 15 minutes. The steam can help to relieve respiratory discomfort. Kennel Cough Relief Drop is a great option for soothing sore throats of your dog. Kennel Cough Relief Drop by Alpha Pet has natural ingredients in every drop. It is the safest way to give relief to your feline companion from kennel cough. If your dog's symptoms persist or worsen, seek immediate veterinary attention to rule out any complications. Remember, it's crucial to consult with your veterinarian before starting any treatment for kennel cough.